Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to hide your taskbar on only one monitor in Windows. So first thing that you will do is simply go for the start menu at the bottom left of the screen and go for the settings. Now from here, go for personalization, and after that you could just simply go for the taskbar at the very bottom on the left sidebar. And now, from here, guys, you should be able to see here multiple display category. So guys, make sure to turn this off so it will not show taskbar on all display. And from here, you should be able to change some settings. Now you could also go into over here, automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode in order for make it to hide on your primary monitor. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.